Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you demo of an AI agent which will act as a product manager. That's right. This AI agent is your new product manager. He can manage your Jira tickets, creation of it, moving the tickets from one state to another and much more. Think of it like 100% autonomous project management. Trust me, you will love this demo. Okay, so what are we doing? Let's say you in a real-time application, you have your application, there are some issues which gets logged into Datadog, and then your product manager would create stories for you in Jira application. Today I'm going to show you our agent can do the same. Let's get started. Now, before we start, let me fire up the application and show you some of the changes that we have to do. If you want this code base, hit the like button and also comment as to why you think product managers are not useful anymore. So I'm going to enable the Jira flag here. So the way the agent I've built with all these applications of 17, 14 plus so far is that they're all configuration driven. So I've enabled the Jira, and just to show you that the client integration, if you see here, this is all related to Atlassian, and we are getting email. We are triggering everything that we want. I'll show you the end result right away. So we'll talk about that. Okay, if you're finding value, if you think this is cool, hit the like button. All right, so let's get started. Now I'm bringing up the Swagger docs of Fast API. I love Python. I'm sure you do too. Now I'm going to hit execute. It will send an error message into our Datadog. That means that our application is having an error, and then we want to see a Jira ticket created. Let's go ahead and execute. It's talking to 14 systems right now. That's why it's taking time. And here we are. Let's see. So it says it sent a message to Slack. It created a Todoist list in Todoist. It created a Confluence page. Obviously, if you are following, you know that in the last episode I showed you it's a documentation agent as well. So it created a Confluence page. And in most legacy systems, you will see that there is some kind of payment required. So I've integrated Stripe to do the payment, and that is checkout ready. The most important part of today is that it has created a new ticket for our engineers to work. Let's go ahead, check that out. Now I'm in my Atlassian account. Let's go to Jira. This is so beautiful, you'll love it. Okay, so I have my project name called ArcBot, and you can see that it created one more incident here. And let's see that when was it created? It was created less than a minute ago, which means it was created by our agent. So you don't need a product manager because now our agent is building and creating stories in Jira directly. Let's go ahead also check out the Confluence that our agent said that he created a Confluence page for it. So go to recent. It says 1 minute ago. You see here. So now we have an agent which is creating Confluence document and Jira tickets, everything all by its own. This is the next level 100% autonomous AI agent doing everything that needs to be done by a product manager. Now, most important part is the completion of this flow, which is today we are doing from application to Datadog to Jira. Now we also integrated Confluence. The next step is the creation of the automated PR request, which is replacing software engineers with an AI agent. You don't want to miss that demo, so make sure that you join me in the next episode. If you find value in this demo, hit the smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Want one-on-one training? Email me. And in the next episode, I'm going to show you how to create an automated PR, that is your pull request. Right, our agent will fix the code. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.